Types of refrigerator according to construction. In refrigeration systems, refrigerators can also be classified on the basis of their construction. This classification mainly depends on how the refrigerator is built and how it is used in daily life or commercial places. According to construction, refrigerators are generally divided into two main types. 1. Simple refrigerator. 2. Display refrigerator. In this video, we will explain both types in detail with examples, applications, and clear explanations so that students and technicians can easily understand the concept. 1. Simple refrigerator. A simple refrigerator is the most commonly used type of refrigerator. This type of refrigerator is mainly designed for domestic or household use. It has a simple construction and is used to store food items like vegetables, fruits, cooked food, milk, and water. In a simple refrigerator, the cooling space is not designed for display purposes. The door is usually made of solid metal and is opened only when something is taken out or stored inside. Because of this, heat entry from outside is limited, which helps maintain cooling efficiency. Simple refrigerators generally include a hermetically sealed compressor, an evaporator placed inside the cabinet, a condenser placed at the back or bottom, insulated walls to reduce heat gain. These refrigerators are energy efficient and easy to operate. They are mostly used in homes, offices, hostels, and small shops where constant opening for display is not required. Applications of simple refrigerator: domestic kitchens, homes and apartments, offices, small stores for internal storage. 2. Display refrigerator. A display refrigerator is specially designed to store and display products at the same time. This type of refrigerator is mostly used in shops, supermarkets, bakeries, medical stores, and malls where customers need to see the items clearly. The main difference between a display refrigerator and a simple refrigerator is the glass door. Display refrigerators have transparent glass doors, which allow customers to see the items without opening the door. This improves product visibility and helps in sales. Because glass doors allow more heat to enter, display refrigerators are designed with powerful cooling systems, strong air circulation fans, efficient condensers, temperature control systems. Display refrigerators are commonly used for cold drinks, dairy products, ice cream, medicines, packed food items. Although these refrigerators consume more power compared to simple refrigerators, they are very important for commercial use where product display is necessary. Applications of display refrigerator: supermarkets, medical stores, bakeries, restaurants, shopping malls. Difference between simple refrigerator and display refrigerator. A simple refrigerator is mainly used for storage purposes and is commonly found in homes, while a display refrigerator is used for both storage and display and is mostly used in commercial places. Simple refrigerators are more energy efficient, whereas display refrigerators focus more on visibility and accessibility of products. Importance of construction-based classification. Understanding refrigerators according to construction helps technicians and users to select the correct refrigerator for the application. Understand cooling requirements. Improve maintenance and operation. Reduce power consumption. This classification is especially important for HVAC and refrigeration students, technicians, and service engineers. In this video, we discussed the types of refrigerators according to construction, focusing on simple refrigerators and display refrigerators. Both types have their own importance and applications depending on where and how they are used. This topic is very important for refrigeration basics, HVAC courses, and technical exams.